Jana. Hello, people! So, after more than 10 times of applying as a cabin crew, I realized na it's not for me. Yesterday, I told myself na this would be my last na jud. So, yes, I am giving up my dream. It's so hot. So, another rejection. But that's okay. Naaylain nga plan sa Lord para nako. And so, kay gutuman ni kaon ko og manglisal. Ug halo-halo. Puslan man nga na-reject, kaon tagdaghan oy. Kaon tag halo-halo. Muna ni order ko tuyog halo-halo para mabugnawan akong utok. Chares. Joke. Basta guys, if you want to apply, kung ganun mo mahimong cabin crew, you should have at least fair skin and no visible scars, no visible pores. That's important yun para nako, no? Tanawin gud nila imuhang panit, ang imuhang face, like that. And if di ka pasar sa ilang standard, okay, then thank you for applying na dayon. So, na siya. Basta ang ilang ipangita is dapat hamis ka day. Hamis, nami kay kag kutis, wala kay pores, mga ingana. And so I finally realized na it's not for me because I have visible pores, I have scars like that. So it's not for me. God has another plan for me. That's all.